This screen protector was sent to me by the brand, and I'm gonna show you how it comes and how it looks. All right, let me show you this. This is the TOCOL Screen Protector design for iPhone 13 Pro Max, and they have 4 different models. One of the biggest highlights is the automatically extension system. It includes the alignment frame with a built-in positioning system that helps reduce dust and make installation much easier. All you do is align the frame on your phone, press down and remove it. And it's designed to make the process quick and very simple. Even if you never installed a screen before, it will be easy for you. Now let's talk about the coverage. This protector features uh, This protector features 1.1 full screen coverage designed with a cured black edge wraps closely around the screen. It's made to match the phone display and works well with most protective case. In terms of durability, it's made for tempered glass and high hardness rating to help protect the screen from scratches and everyday drops. The surface is smooth and includes anti-fingerprint scoring, which help reduce smudges during daily and usually maintain the HD clarity. It's designed to preserve the touch sensitivity and overall screen responsiveness. Overall, this is a screen protection with an easy installation, full cover design, and reliable everyday protection. If you're looking for a tempered glass protection for your iPhone, this is one to consider. You can check more details in the product description.